hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Ta 26 February 26 ta monte ko le me Two must collect. Abi akuru market mo alaba. Apetrol le me. Ka bola okuta. Hello. Awa mala am. Maga hali nda hali yozunde ka habu.
The Zoo Army, they are truly in trouble in Biafra land. It has not been easy for them. If it were to be easy for them like that, what they have in mind before going there, ear that hears it will tingle. But what they're getting in rivers is Woto Pro Max. And that is God saving Biafra, saving the old women and the young women there. You see, I want us to listen to the latest update from our BLA commander, of course, Commander Holy Ghost. Let's go.
It's a very good day for us. February 26th is a day of memory anyway. When you tell them that evil does not last long, they thought it's a joke. Darkness doesn't exist longer. It doesn't take the space of time. If you tell them that evil does not pay, they will tell you you are joking. There is no short way of life. There is no short way of life. All of them that betray Nnamdi Kanu can never see peace. All of them will go down. Where is criminal, the most trusted criminal, barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor? I remember in one of his speech, he said, "I am be the most trusted." Anyway, among the 12, there is always a Judah. Because everything that happened in this very struggle does not take the children of light unaware. Nothing take us in surprise. And that is why we tell you that every step you make, we are 1,000 steps ahead of you. And when I was telling somebody, I said, Nnamdi Kanu knew that he's coming to Kenya. He's going to lead to his arrest and be returned back to Nigeria. He knew very well. His arrest from Kenya or in kidnap from Kenya was not a surprise to him. He knew quite well what is going to happen to him. And that is why he make a very revolutionary prayer that nobody seems to understand. He said, Father, the hours has come. That very time we will be waiting for, he has come. And into your hand, your children we commit our spirit. Those who have died before and those who are still going to die, we commit our spirit into your hands. But one thing we know is that at the end, Biafra will come. That was this last, go and Google his last speech or broadcast before he embarked on the journey to Kenya. He knew all of you. But he also knew that if on his own decided to fish una out, people would think otherwise. Those who doesn't understand the things of the spirit, the carnal people, would think otherwise. And that is why he allowed God to do his will. And you have been playing that game for 3 years. And at the end, where did he land you to? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. There is nothing in this world that you will do that will be hidden. As long as there is air blowing, as long as there is air in that place, it must come to light. People will know what you did. Today, has God not disgraced you? Where is Him powerful? You people are denying Him powerful. All of you were warned. Oh. You send Him powerful to go and kidnap Biafran, true Biafrans in Kano, Ghana. Now, as police don't carry him now, now they deny him. All of you will face the same fate of the enemy of Biafra. Hope today. Hope. Hope. I hope that I've given you the news of a 14 years boy that went with his 4 years old boy on bike going to meet his mother that your terrorists catch the boy and set them on fire. 4 years old boy and 14 years old boy. I hope they have given you the news. Your terrorists you brought to our land, and you think their blood will not be revenged. Their blood will be revenged. And I'm here this afternoon to tell you that evil does not last long. Darkness can never last long. Yes. Darkness doesn't last long. And all of you that have stained your hand in evil, hear me and hear me well. That the wind of righteousness is going to blow all of you out. It have started. When we tell you that Biafra have come to stay, you thought it was a joke. Many of you organize seminar. Which one of them say that Biafra is dead and buried? If you plant something on the ground, what happened to it? You know, I do not dispute that Biafra are dead and you are burying it. But I'm asking you a simple question. When you plant something on the ground, what happened to that thing you planted? That is exactly what Biafra is. You have killed us. You have buried us. It's left for us to germinate and rise again. And that is exactly what we are doing. It doesn't matter how often you try. I've told you, we have come to end Nigeria. The only country that believes in God and God does not believe in them. The He's a stupid person that keep doing business. He doesn't get game. He keep losing and he keep doing the business. Only a foolish person. Only a foolish person will keep doing business. And inside that business, he does not have game. And he keep maintaining doing that same business. Only a fool. Only a fool will marry a wife. 20 years, 30 years, no fruit of the womb. And he still believe that maybe in the next 70 years, before 70 years, that woman will put to bed. Only a fool. Only a fool. Only a fool. Will keep doing one thing, one particular thing in the same way, and you still having bad result, and you still repeating it the same way you did. You didn't get good result, and you are still doing it. Only a fool. And this is why I say all Nigerians are foolish. When you come to a time of election, they will tell you, your PVC, your PVC, oh, your PVC, your PVC, your PVC. As if your vote have ever counted. During Jonathan, Buhari come up and say, if you want to have a stable light, if you want to have a good road, better economy, vote Buhari. And all of you foolishly and idiotically were gallivanting everywhere. Your PVC, it's time, your power, your voice, your vote. At the end, Buhari enter. And you people begin to wish, oh, I wish we leave Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan was better than Buhari. Oh, eh, eh, eh. Another election. Your PVC, your PVC, your PVC. Oh, if you no vote, you are the cause of our problem. And you are the cause of our predicament. Oh, God will judge you. Every pastor preach to member to go and find PVC. Say, some churches even lay curse on their member if they did not get PVC. And if they did not go to vote. Why? Because Biafra say Biafra will not vote. Because there is no use for vote. We have been voting for many years. No good result. So what is the extent of voting? Only a fool remain in particular business that does not yield a game. And he keep doing the same business. Only a fool. And I've seen it in Nigerians. Nigerians are intellectual fool. They are full of intellectual fools. Fools, very foolish. They have chopping cow meat, say their brain are now like animal, cow animal, then think like cow. No wonder, even snake they swallow money, nobody they talk. Oh my goodness me. And now they shout, PVC, Obi, PVC, Obi. Where are them that have been shouting, Obi Wane, where is Obi? Tunumbu enter. And you people, it's not, the most annoying thing is that it's not even up to 1 year. And you are crying hunger. And you think anything will save you. Nothing will save you. Hungry will kill you. As you are starting making noise, the reason why they never kill you yet is because Biafran decided not to join you. Assuming now Biafra joined the protest, they will start killing you. Idiot. I'm not God. If I were God, I could have still just say, let Biafra delay for 4 years, more 4 years, so that you people will feel what we call better hunger. Yes. You never see something. Fools. Where are your PVC? Go and do PVC now to come time for office. Idiot. You don't know what is going on. When we, the wise, tell you something, you don't know. What we saw in a million times, you can never see it. Nigeria is a company of Britain. Then choose who be director in their company. And they decided that Buhari Tinubu will manage the company for them. And you are shouting. What are you shouting for? Idiot. We that knew that Nigeria is not a nation, it's not a country. It is a company. We say we don't want to be part. We need a nation where the life of people will be valuable and they will enjoy the living. You say you think we are stupid. You never see something. By the time you will enter Easter in 2 months from now, I think you will cry and lose your voice. Now you are starting, you just start the crying. You never lost your voice. I say by the time Easter, in 2 months from now, you will cry and lose your voice. So that when you shout, nobody will even notice you're shouting. You know, they have trained you to suffer and smiling. So why are you shouting? That is how them blame your brain to. Them blame your brain to the level of you leave everything to God. And that is why I say Nigeria is the only country that trusts in their God and God does not trust in them. You believe them, then no. Oh my goodness me. The more you own them, they can, the more the calamity will fall on you. The more you delay the going of Biafra, the more you experience hardship. You think I'm joking? The worst part is that you people doesn't read history. You people does not read history. That is the most worst part in your side. When I know they read history. Quran and Bible have blinded you people so hard that you people become toy. Animal is equal to you as a Nigerians. Why? Because you don't read history. Yes. Yes. Any country that is facing this kind of situation, they know they grow. They know they move forward. They can never have peace. It's just like a family. A family, when you see catastrophe in a family, that family, they can never move forward in unity. A country where people are not one, their ideology is different, their thinking is different, their ways of life, which is culture, is different. And they are saying, let me go. I want to be alone. And you are forcing them to be one with you. And you think you can move forward. Let me give you an example. I want to give you an example. Those of you who are good in having livestock, when you carry goat and you want to move with the goat draw in herself or itself backward. You will only be dragging that goat. On the process of dragging that goat, look at what will happen to you. The goat will also slow down your movement. The goat will also cost you more energy because you will take energy to be dragging that goat. So you will lose energy, you will lose speed of movement. What am I trying to say? The more you own Nnamdi Kanu, the more calamity will fall on you. The more you owe Biafra restoration, the more your economy will cripple down. You will not have peace. And they tell you, you will not have peace. Have you not failed? You have failed. All those people you bought, you know, sometimes you think money answered all things. No. Money doesn't answer all things. If money were to answer all things, I think Buhari could have still been alive by now. Money doesn't answer all things. Queen Elizabeth could have still been alive by now. Money does not answer all things. Maybe we couldn't have gotten up to this point if you couldn't have kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe you. Yes. Maybe.
Alright, this is the update for the day. And this happened yesterday. Remember, the same yesterday that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in court. He should have been seated at home, but people keep messing up. Especially the zoo government, they see it as avenue to mesmerize and kill Biafrans. But wherever they go, they meet their doom, and that is how it will be rolling. That is their quota. They have to be collecting it woto. Yes, things have changed, and that is it. They have to buy the idea that things have changed and stay clear from Biafra land. Thank you very much. Help us to push this video, help it to go viral. Thank you.